feel the same about it. Been a while since I seen you yesterday. Now that you're away, can't get a break. For goodness sakes, I'm going home. When I'm alone, I can't help thinking, am I crazy now? Am I going mad? Cause as of lately, I've been missing what we have. Now you're right here, but there's a fear you won't come back. Now I'm busy overthinking about a moment that hasn't passed. Let's raise the red flags high. Seems I have a little bit of trouble trusting people sometimes. Oh, my heart is paralyzed. I think it's time I try to open what's inside, little by little. Oh, 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 little by little. I swear I've seen this all before. I'm even higher now, so I'm scared to fall. The days without you help me see that I've been healing through your company. Let's raise the red flags high. Seems I have a little bit of trouble trusting people sometimes. Oh, my heart is paralyzed. I think it's time I try to open what's inside, little by little.
No need try, we just go with the motions. Close your eyes, ease your mind for a moment. Need no smoke to make you feel you floating. You know joke or you pressure, you know it. You know it, you know it. I don't fall under pressure, I be handling business. Get it finished, no extras, don't get into specifics. Wave maker, I came up out the Pacific. So you don't trust what you can't see. Some things are left to believe.